Hey everyone, I was so excited to see so many familiar names and faces, especially on the recorded video from this session that was held live. I was not able to make it that day because I was actually traveling by plane when I got the email. So a little bit about myself. As I mentioned, my name's Faith and I was born in Ontario, Canada. I moved to Georgia at the age of 13 because my father's job had moved us here. I currently reside in Lawrenceville, where I teach at Winholt Elementary, which is also in Gwinnett County. I love traveling and spending time at the lake with my friends and family, and of course, I love to teach. So what brings me here? Well, right now I'm working towards my master's degree in gifted and creative education. I've noticed that from the videos that there's quite a few new faces to see, and I'm very excited to kind of work with some new people. I'm so excited to continue learning about race, class, gender, and linguistic diversity in all settings. I currently serve a very diverse group of gifted students from a low-income area, so the things that I learn in these classes I'm able to use right away with the kids that I'm working with currently. So this is one of my favorite quotes from Nelson Mandela, and it is, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." I think that this is not only important for us to teach to our kids, teaching the importance of education, but it's also important that we as teachers continue to educate ourselves and continue moving forward in a positive way. I'm so excited to meet you guys.